In a forgotten corner of a dimly lit garage, it sat, a silent sentinel of a bygone era, shrouded in a thick blanket of dust and time. Cobwebs clung to its elegant, forgotten curves, and its once proud chrome was now a dull, pitted gray. The air hung heavy with the scent of old oil and neglect. This wasn't just a car, it was a ghost. A relic holding memories of open roads and sun-drenched days, waiting patiently for a second chance to feel the wind against its steel skin. The leather seats were cracked, the dashboard was faded, and the engine was a cold, silent heart. It was a monumental task, a forgotten legend yearning for revival. The journey back to life began with a careful, methodical disassembly. Every bolt, every panel, every single piece was meticulously removed, cataloged, and inspected. The shell, now a hollowed-out frame, revealed the true extent of time's patient decay. Then came the symphony of restoration. The grating sound of sanders stripping away decades of rust and tired paint filled the workshop, revealing the pristine metal underneath. Close-up shots captured the intricate dance of a mechanic's hands, reviving the engine's core, cleaning pistons, and tuning carburetors with a surgeon's precision. Each part, no matter how small, was lovingly cleaned and polished until it shone. A moment of pure satisfaction arrived as a high-pressure sprayer cast a deep, lustrous coat of cherry red paint, its vibrant color flowing like liquid glass over the car's resurrected form. Slowly, deliberately, the reassembly began, each polished component finding its rightful place in the puzzle. The gleaming grille, the crystal-clear headlights, the supple new leather upholstery. It was a rebirth, piece by piece. The garage door rolls up, flooding the space with brilliant sunlight that glints off a flawless finish. The engine roars to life with a deep, throaty growl, a sound unheard for decades. Then, the reveal, no longer a forgotten relic, but a rolling piece of art. The gleaming red classic car cruises down a scenic coastal highway. The sun dances on its polished chrome. The ocean breeze ripples across its perfect paintwork, and the hum of its powerful engine is a testament to the passion and dedication poured into its return. It's more than just a restored vehicle. It's a dream brought back to life. A legend reborn, once again conquering the open road with timeless style and undeniable soul.